the assistant graphic designer at CALPAK. This is my boyfriend Jack. He's a roaster at a local cafe in LA. And tonight he's going to be showing us how to make a French 75 that'll make you feel like you're having a night out in Paris.
Right, so we're going to be making a French 75 this evening. You're going to start off by adding 2 ounces of gin to your cocktail shaker. 0.75 ounces of simple syrup. 0.75 ounces of lemon juice. And then you're going to go ahead and grab some ice. And then give her a shake. About 20 seconds is good. And then go ahead and grab your coupe glass.
Or any glass you have.
And strain this mixture. And then you're gonna top it off with some sparkling wine. We're having Prosecco this evening. And then lastly, and most importantly, we're going to add a little garnish.
Voila!
There you have it, a French 75.